A relation is said to be equivalence if it obeys reflexivity, symmetric, and transitive. In short, if a relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, then we say it is an equivalent relation. For example, look at this example problem. Show that the relation R on the set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given by R equals AB such that modulus of A minus B is even, is an equivalence relation. Alright. Now let us look into the solution. Given R is equal to A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is even, where AB belongs to A comma B belongs to A equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First let us check for reflexivity. For any values of A belongs to A, you can see that modulus of A minus A is equal to 0 is even. 0 is an even number. So therefore, A comma A belongs to R. So R is reflexive. Next, let's check for symmetry. Let A comma B belong to R such that A minus B is even. Modulus of A minus B is even. This implies modulus of B minus A is even. So, if A comma B belongs to R, here also B comma A also belongs to R. So, therefore, R is symmetric. Let's check for transitivity. Let A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Then modulus of A minus B is even and modulus of B minus C is even. Therefore, modulus of A minus C is also even. In this, we have two cases. When B is even, this should be even. So that is, A minus B is even, modulus of A minus B is even, and B minus C is even. Then modulus of A minus C is also even. Then if that is the case, then it will obey transitivity. Now, In this case, we have two cases rising. Case 1 is when A minus B is even and B minus C is modulus of B minus C is even, then B is even. In this case, we can see that A is even, also C is even. Therefore, modulus of A minus C is even. Case 2, when B is odd. When B is odd. In that case, modulus of A minus B is even. Modulus of B minus C is even. In that case, A is odd and C is odd. Therefore, modulus of A minus C is odd. We can see that A comma C belongs to R. Hence, R is transitive. Therefore, R is transitive. Since the relation obeys reflexive, symmetry and transitive, it is an equivalence relation.